Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping materials and making the first shapes. Condition white clay until smooth so it won't crack. This helps seams disappear when you join pieces. Roll a 2-3 cm white oval for the body and a smaller 1-2 cm white sphere for the head. Make sure shapes are proportionate so the panda sits well. Once done, attach the head to the body firmly with a slight press and blend a tiny neck seam for stability and a natural look. Now you build the character by adding limbs and facial elements. Roll 4 black limbs to size so the back legs are a bit larger for balance. Attach them with a gentle push and blend the seams inward to avoid visible joins. Create 2 small black ear discs and 2 teardrop eye patches. Press shallow indentations for eyes with a toothpick so they hold tiny black beads or dots. Make a small black nose and refine the panda's posture. This ensures a finish by preparing the piece for curing and final touches. Follow the clay manufacturer's temperature and time. Overbaking warps detail, underbaking leaves soft spots, so set your oven accordingly and monitor it. Once cured and cooled, sand any tiny seams lightly, then add a small gloss to eyes and nose for realism. If something cracks or detaches, use a bit of liquid clay as glue, reposition, and rebake briefly. This fixes most failures while preserving your panda's shape and surface finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.